In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Mail to Links with Gmail. If you've ever clicked an email address on a web page and had the wrong app pop up, this walkthrough is for you. We'll set your browser to treat Gmail as the default handler for Mail to Links, so clicking an address opens a Gmail Compose window right away. Let's start in Google Chrome, which offers the smoothest experience. Open Chrome and head to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in, because Chrome needs to recognize Gmail as a site that can handle email links. Now look at the right side of the address bar for a small double diamond icon. That's the protocol handler prompt. Click it, choose Allow, and then select Done. You've just told Chrome to open Gmail whenever you click a Mail to link. If you don't see the icon, no worries. Type Chrome Settings, Handlers into the address bar and press Enter. Turn on the option that allows sites to ask to become default handlers for protocols. Once that's on, reload your Gmail tab and watch for the diamond icon to appear. Click it and allow Gmail to handle Mail to links. From now on, a click on any email address in Chrome should open a fresh Gmail Compose window with the address filled in. Next, let's cover Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox and go to Settings, then General. Scroll to the Applications section and look for the Mail to content type. In the drop-down menu next to it, choose Use Gmail. That's it. Firefox will route Mail to links to Gmail instead of another email program. If you don't see Gmail listed, make sure you're signed in to Gmail in a tab first, then check again. Some older versions may require additional steps, but this is the standard method. If your browser doesn't provide a built-in option, this can happen in certain versions of Edge or other browsers, you still have two practical workarounds. The first is to install an extension that intercepts Mail to links and redirects them to Gmail. Popular options include extensions specifically designed to open Mail to links in Gmail. Once installed, they handle the redirect automatically. The second option is to use a direct Gmail Compose URL when you create links yourself. The general format is https mail.google.com mail u 0 view cm and fs 1 and 2 followed by the address. Opening a link in that format launches a Gmail Compose box with the to field ready to go. And that's all you need to make Mail to links open in Gmail quickly and reliably.